I need to show you something. My TV understands what we're saying. Launch game console.
Wow. Nice.
Kayla, do you want some tea?
Yes, please. Wow, it's beautiful.
Do you remember when we were there?
Have we been there?
Show me my photos of the Grand Canyon from 10 years ago.
Here's what I found in your Google Photos.
Oh yes, I remember.
Oh, he's so cute. Have you seen this guy before?
No. Who is that guy?
Oh, it's Ryan! It's Ryan! Show me all the movies with Ryan.
Hey, we're watching that.
Relax. What's the Giants score?
Last Monday, the Giants played the Dragons.
See?
Switch to Discover China.
Shall we bring our jackets?
Do I need a jacket next week in Beijing?
Here's the forecast for Beijing.
No jackets required, love.
Show me the video for running.
Dim the living room lights.
What have you been watching?
Turn on jazz hits. Switch off after this program ends.